মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আজি মই ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মেশ্যন অফ সেন্টেন্সেছৰ 2019 পৰা 2025 লৈকে মই সলভ কৰিছো ঠিক আছে ভিডিঅটো ভালকৈ তোমালোকে চাই লবা 2019 ৰ এই নম্বৰ কোৱেশ্চনটো দিয়া আছে your hair is very lovely make it an exclamatory sentence এটা exclamatory sentence লিখিব লাগিব your hair is very lovely এটো হ'ব how lovely your hair is sign of exclamation mark etu kintu pahori na jaba sign of exclamation mark to dibo lagibo how lovely your hair is b number the Bhupen Hazarika Setu at Dholasodia is the longest bridge in India ki hobe etu dia ase tomar the Bhupen Hazarika Setu at Dholasodia is the longest longest superlative ase amak koribo lagibo ki positive hole ki hobo no other bridge in India is as long as the Bhupen Hazarika Setu at Dholasodia. Number C, I tried every plan. Make it negative. Affirmative is negative. I left no plan untried. I left no plan untried. ঠিক আছে ভিডিওটো যদি ভাল লাগে তোমালোকে লাইক কমেন্ট আৰু চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবা মই আকৌ পিছত নেক্সট ভিডিওত মই তোমালোকৰ ৰুলস বিলাক গোটেই দি দিম মানে ডিগ্ৰীজ অফ কম্পাৰিজন simple complex compound sentence ঠিক আছে next d number question to dia ase he wants me to help him make it a complex sentence he wants me to help him make it a complex sentence ঠিক আছে complex sentence hobo etu he wants that I should help him he wants that I should help him e number question এটো জানা এটো বহুত থাকে এটো সাধাৰণতে হ্যাঁ এমপ্লিফিকেশন পাইছিলা ক্লাস 9 ত a stone that is rolling gathers no moss make it a simple sentence হ'ব a rolling stone gathers no moss ক্লাস 9 ত দিয়া আছিল এমপ্লিফিকেশন ত a rolling stone gathers no moss f number last question 2019 or the enemy fled as soon as they saw us make it compound sentence ঠিক আছে এই সেন্টেন্স মোক কম্পাউন্ড লব লাগিব কম্পাউন্ডত কি হ'ব The enemy saw us and fled at once. The enemy saw us and fled at once. 2020 a number question to ki diya ase why waste time in this fruitless occupation make it assertive why waste time in this fruitless occupation etu interrogative diya ase amak interrogative sentence or amak assertive sentence lobo lagibo assertive hobo very easy we should not waste time in fruitless occupation we should not waste time in fruitless occupation b number question to diya ase it is often difficult to speak the truth it is often difficult to speak the truth make it negative without changing the meaning eta affirmative ase amak negative koribo lagibo it is not always easy to speak the truth it is not always easy to speak the truth C number question to ki diya ase being ill comma he could not attend school make it compound sentence ei sentence mo compound lobo lagibo compound hobo he could not attend school because he was ill he could not attend school because he was ill very easy next d number question to diya ase on seeing the lion comma he ran away make it a complex sentence এটা মই কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্সত লব লাগিব কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্সত হ'ব when he saw the lion comma he ran away when he saw the lion comma he ran away e number question the students who are good do their homework regularly make it a simple sentence এটা আমাক simple sentence লব লাগিব simple sentence হ'ব good students do their homework regularly good students do their homework regularly F number question Atul is the best boy in the class it is superlative degree diya ase amak lobo lagibo change into positive degree very easy no other boy in the class is as good as Atul 2022 a number question to ki diya ase is this the kind of dress to wear in school question mark tamane etu interrogative sentence diya ase amak lobo lagibo make it an assertive sentence interrogative sentence er pora assertive sentence lobo lagibo 2022 question tile ki hobo this is not isn't short form of isn't this isn't the kind of dress you wear in school b বি নাম্বার কোয়েশ্চনটো কি দিয়া আছে হি ওয়ার্কড হার্ড টু পাস দ্য এক্সামিনেশন এটা আমাক সেন্টেন্স টু মেক ইট এ কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্স এটা কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্স হ'ব হি ওয়ার্কড হার্ড সো দ্যাট হি কুড পাস দ্য এক্সামিনেশন হি ওয়ার্কড হার্ড সো দ্যাট হি কুড পাস দ্য এক্সামিনেশন সি নাম্বার কোয়েশ্চন কি দিয়া আছে কাইন্ডলি ডু মি এ ফেভার এড এ টেক কোয়েশ্চন ভেরি ইজি ক্লাস 9 তো কৰিছিলা কাইন্ডলি ডু মি এ ফেভার এটো ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স হয় ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স সদা কি হয় উইল ইউ কাইন্ডলি ডু মি এ ফেভার কমা উইল ইউ ফুল সেন্টেন্সটো লিখিব লাগিব কিন্তু হ্যাঁ কোয়েশ্চন টু ইন্টারোগেটিভত কাইন্ডলি ডু মি এ ফেভার কমা উইল ইউ ডি নাম্বার কোয়েশ্চনটো দিয়া আছে এটো কমন আৰু আহিছিল আগতো অতুল ইজ দ্য বেস্ট বয় ইন দ্য ক্লাস সুপারলেটিভত আছে চেঞ্জ ইনটু পজিটিভ ডিগ্রি ভেরি ইজি নো আদার বয় ইন দ্য ক্লাস ইজ এজ গুড এজ অতুল E number question, I shall remember your kindness forever. Make it negative without changing the meaning. Amak negative poribo lagbo without changing the meaning. Tele ki hobe answer to I shall never forget your kindness. I shall never forget your kindness. F number, everyone wishes to be happy. Make it interrogative. Assertive sentence to interrogative poribo lagibo. Who does not wish to be happy? Question mark. Who does not wish to be happy? Question mark. G number last question. On seeing the lion, comma, he ran away. Make it a compound sentence. Very easy. When he saw the lion, comma, he ran away. When he saw the lion, comma, he ran away. 2023 A number question. Ki diya ase? This fact is too evident to require any proof. Use so that instead of to. মানে আমাক সো দ্যাট ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব টু টাইপ ওকে তেনলে কি হ'ব দিস ফ্যাক্ট ইজ সো এভিডেন্ট দ্যাট ইট ডাজ নট রিকোয়ার এনি প্রুফ দিস ফ্যাক্ট ইজ সো এভিডেন্ট দ্যাট ইট ডাজ নট রিকোয়ার এনি প্রুফ বি নাম্বার কোয়েশ্চেন আই শ্যাল রিমেম্বার ইয়োর হেল্প ফর এভার মেক ইট নেগেটিভ উইদাউট চেঞ্জিং দ্য মিনিং তেনলে কি হ'ব আই শ্যাল নট ফরগেট ইয়োর হেল্প আই শ্যাল নট ফরগেট ইয়োর হেল্প সি নাম্বার having completed her project here she returned to her native country change it into a complex sentence eto complex sentence ki hobo she returned to her native country after she had completed her project here she returned to her native country after she had completed her project here D number question to ki diya ase she is the tallest girl in the classroom superlative আমাক কি কৰিব লাগিব এটো চেঞ্জ ইনটু কম্পারেটিভ সুপারলেটিভৰ পৰা কম্পারেটিভ হ'ব she is taller than any other girl in the class E number question to দিয়া আছে no one can do this make it interrogative no one can do this assertive to কি কৰিব লাগিব interrogative can anyone do this খালি can to আগত আনিলে হৈ গল no one to হৈ যাব anyone can anyone do this question mark F number question there is a slight difference between the two shades There is a slight difference between the two shades. Rewrite the sentence by using the adjective from difference. The difference adjective ki different. The sentence to ki hobo the two shades are slightly different. The two shades are slightly different. G number last question. As he was ill, he could not appear in the examination. Change into a simple sentence. Very easy simple sentence. So, he could not appear in the examination due to his illness. He could not appear in the examination due to his illness. 2024 A number question to ki diya ase I know his birthplace turn into simple sentence. Simple sentence ki hobo I know where he was born. B number question to diya ase if you do not study hard, comma, you will fail. Make it a compound sentence. It compound sentence is very easy. Study hard or you will fail. C number question. He leads a most unhappy life. It amok ki koribo lagibo turn into exclamatory sentence. Mane exclamatory sentence lobo lagibo. Mane assertive pora. Very easy. What an unhappy life he leads. What an unhappy life he leads. Sorry more typing mot bhul hoise etu exclamation mark hobo ha exclamation mark to di diba D number question to diya ase very few metals are as precious as gold very few eta positive ase amak ki koribo lagibo change it into comparative degree positive degree pora comparative degree hobo gold is more precious than most of the metals E number question to ki diya ase only Anita can do this. Make it negative without changing the meaning. Negative hobo none but Anita can do this. None but Anita can do this. F number question, who does not wish to be happy? Question mark. Make it assertive. Very easy. Everyone wishes to be happy. Everyone interrogative pora assertive hol interrogative sentence pora assertive sentences hobo everyone wishes to be happy. G number last question 2024. Though he was poor, he was happy. Though he was poor, he was happy. Make it a simple sentence. Simple sentence is very easy. He was poor but happy. He was poor but happy. Last 2025 or A number question to ki diya ase some. Can anyone take failure with an easy mind? Interrogative sentence diya ase make it an assertive sentence. Amok assertive botla bole gibo. Can anyone to start hobo no one di no one can take failure with an easy mind. No one can take failure with an easy mind. B number question, you may go anywhere. You may go anywhere. Make it a complex sentence. You may go wherever you like. You may go wherever you like. C number question to diya ase you can be allowed here only if you are a student. Make it a simple sentence. The simple sentence ki hobo being a student is the only condition to be allowed here. Being a student is the only condition to be allowed here. D number, platinum is more valuable than gold. Platinum is more valuable than gold. মানে comparative পড়া আমাক কি কৰিব লাগিব use the positive degree. Positive লব লাগিব gold is not as valuable as platinum. Affirmative পড়া এটা নেগেটিভ হতে হবে মই ফরমেশন করে দিয়ে দিম হ্যাঁ নেক্সট ভিডিও gold is not as valuable as platinum. 2025 or last E number question 2. Everybody loves flowers. Everybody loves flowers. Make it interrogative. Loves s ase ekone ki hobo start hobo does দিয়ে আরম্ভ hobo ভার্ব লগত s ase does everybody love flowers. Does everybody love flowers question mark. F number question, it is a matter of joy that we won the champion trophy. Make it an exclamatory sentence. What a joy it is that we won the champion trophy. Sign of exclamation mark. What a joy it is that we won the champions trophy. Sign of exclamation mark. G number question, I offended him by doing this. Make it a compound sentence. Very easy. I did this and I offended him. I did this and I offended him. H number question, we often go out for dinner on weekends. Add a take question. Take question কিন্তু একটা কথা মনে রাখিবা always remembered in your mind that we often go out for dinner on weekends comma দি তার পিছত টেক কোশ্চেনটো হ'ব কিন্তু অনলি যদি লিখা ডোন্ট উই তেনলে কিন্তু ভুল হ'ব যেহেতু ইয়াতে গো টু হল ভার্ব 1 এস বাই এস নাই অক্সিলারি ভার্ব নাই সেইকাৰণে কি হল ডু ভাৰ্বৰ সহায়ত লৈ সহায় লৈ যেটো সেন্টেন্সটো এফার্মেটিভ টেক কোশ্চেন হ'ব নেগেটিভ ডোন্ট উই কোশ্চেন মার্ক after writing the full sentence we often go out for dinner on weekends comma don't we question mark and d should be small letter দিয়ে আৰম্ভ হ'ব টেক কোশ্চেনৰ okay thank you very much video 2 once again I tell you if you like my videos please comment like and subscribe my channel thank you